On this episode, we're making garlic nail polish.
Garlic is a staple in the Latin cuisine, but it's also a beauty weapon to make your nails grow. Today I'm going to show you a few tricks that were shared with me on how you can make it happen at home. First thing you're going to need is some garlic, a clear base coat, a cuticle pusher, a board, and a knife. First thing you're going to do is you're going to use a little bit of garlic and you're going to crush it. You're going to chop it into little pieces. Then using your clear base coat, you're going to go ahead and put these small garlic pieces into your coat. After a week, you're going to be able to use the garlic base because you really want the smell to kind of leave. And not only that, so the base can really take in the garlic qualities that are going to give you those really strong and healthy nails. Then using your cuticle pusher, you're going to go ahead and push your cuticle back. And about twice or 3 times a week, you're going to apply this base coat onto your nail bed. In about a few weeks, you're going to start to see results. Another way to use garlic on your nails is that you're going to take your garlic and you're just going to crush it. Then you're going to really start rubbing into your cuticles and your nail bed this garlic once or twice a day. The properties in the garlic are going to stimulate the cuticle to really, help the nail growth really grow long. Thanks for watching, Beauty Travelers, and make sure that you comment below and let us know any beauty